This video is going to show you how to organize a Dropbox. So you can have categories inside your Dropbox. Like here I have a couple of things that are recaps of chapters, and this has to do with a project. So I can create categories and hit Edit Categories, Add Category, and I'm going to have Chapter Recaps. Create. And then another category I'm going to want is going to be Final Project. Oops. Can't type when people are watching. Okay, so I've got two of these and I'm going to hit Close. So now I'm going to organize them. And this is where one of the few things that I do not like about D2L is how odd it is to have to put things into categories because you have to use the bulk edit tool. So you're going to hit, let's say you want these two and you want to put them into the category of chapter recaps. You're going to choose these and hit bulk edit. And then it's going to allow you to put them into chapter recap. You can do them all at once if you want to. I find it a lot of times it's easier to choose the ones for each category as I'm working on them. So I'm going to click on these and oops, hit bulk edit. And I want these inside a final project. I could have chosen all four at the same time and just put them into the categories I wanted. You can do it either way. And then you can also rearrange these. So let's say that you want the final project on the top. You can reorder them to have that at the top just by sorting it around. So you can organize it this way. It is very helpful for students if you organize your Dropbox folders. Some people are going to do it with categories that have to do things like the type of assignment it is. For some faculty, they like to do it where it'll say week 1. So everything that's due in week 1 that's going to be the category. So students know, okay, they can see I finished everything that was supposed to be done in week 1. So however you organize it that works well for your class, for you and for your students is just fine.